Kapitbahay, today we are with Vanille Velasquez who is going to share with us kung paano ba maging voice actor sa isang sikat na video game. So, what are your thoughts on that, Vanille?
Ang realidad kasi ng industriya natin, para yung mga audition kasi para sa mga malalaking video games like The Last of Us.
Oh, Last of Us.
I don't know, Fortnite or something
Yes,
like that.
Fortnite.
I don't know. Trying to think of big video games. Ang realidad kasi dumadaan yan sa mga agencies,
Right.
usually sa Amerika.
Yes.
The majority of them. Pero meron ding mga outliers kapag meron silang specific na hinahanap. In my case, specific kasi sila naghahanap ng Filipino voice actor na nasa
Yun.
Pilipinas. So, yun, medyo out of the ordinary. Ang nangyari kasi doon, nahanap ako online ng casting producer, in-email niya ako,
Right.
and in-invite niya ako mag-audition. Tapos, ayun, I got the part. So, that happens too sometimes. Pero hindi yun madalas nangyayari, I would say.
Right.
Most of the time, very, very traditional pa rin, going through agencies,
Yes.
which can be hard to get into, especially
Yes.
if you're starting out in the beginning. Pero, and especially if you're not in the US to begin with.
Yes.
Pero we're starting to see a change. I personally know someone who is not in the States, who is also Southeast Asian,
Yes.
who has gotten an agent in the US and is getting
Yes.
auditions for things that are being produced there. So there is hope. And who knows, maybe meron ding project in the future na maghahanap ng talent online, like what happened to me. You never know.
Yes. So curious lang ako, how long have you been a professional voice actor prior to getting this project?
I've been voice acting professionally since, I would say, 2017. That was when I booked my first commercial and my first dubbing project. It was in that year. That's the year I would say I started working professionally. It wasn't until 2019 when I booked things that were bigger than
Yes.
those. That was when things started to slowly change. So matagal siya.
Yes.
Medyo matagal siya. So I think the one thing that new voice actors, aspiring voice actors have to remember is hindi siya overnight.
Yes.
Hindi siya nangyayari ng mabilis. Like any job, you have to invest time and
Yes.
training, effort, bago ka, parang in a corporate job, bago ka ma-promote, I guess.
Yes, yes.
So, ayun.
Okay. Thank you, Vanille. Bye. Bye.
Bye.